Okay, so at this point, you should have your quadriceps muscle group complete and your sartorius muscle. Okay. Now, today we are going to start with the gluteal muscle group. So we're going to draw our insertion right here on the iliac crest. Okay, it's a nice big fat fan. Okay? And that's going to be this dark line here in your picture. So in order to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to take a terracotta piece of clay about the size of a peanut M&M. Okay? Scrolling down here, sorry. Okay? And we're going to make this into a carrot. Okay? The carrot needs to be long enough in order to reach from this origin all the way down to the greater trochanter. So right there. Okay? And it's going to need to be relatively fat at the top of the carrot as well. Okay? So we're going to do something like that. It's a little long, so I can shorten it up a bit. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now that's a little long, and that's okay at this moment. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and shorten it up now that I say that. Okay. Okay. So there we go. Now we have our carrot. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten this out a little bit. Okay. Especially the tip. And I want this tip to come to a point. Okay. So this tip is going to be flattened out and come to a point. Okay. Sorry, I have little ants running around everywhere. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do with my tool, this is actually going to come down a little bit here. I had to give me a little bit of room for my glute med. And I'm going to come down and I'm going to draw a line here and cut this right along the edge there. Okay, and I'm going to take this off. Now, if this fans over a little bit, that is okay. Okay. But now I'm also going to cut my muscle and reshape it a little bit into a point so that it comes down at the greater trochanter. So I'm going to repeat this step until I get the shape that I'm looking for. Okay. So there you have it. Now I'm going to take a little bit more off the medial side here. So you should see the head of the femur here, and you should have a little loop of blank space. Okay? That's the shape that we are going for. Okay? Now I'm going to striate, so I'm going to put these lines down to a point. Okay? There we go. And that is your glute min.